56, so we divided by 2. This last question is really similar to GCSE questions. And when they look at the schools that did it well and the schools that did it badly, the schools that do it well are the schools that teach bar models, like we do. So, computer game costs twice as much as a board game. Board game costs twice as much as a toy. All three cost 161. So let's try and use a bar model for this. So, if we're not sure how big to make the bars, let's just start off. So I'm going to make a bar like that for the computer game. So I'll use C for computer game. And the only fact I know at the moment is it costs twice as much as a board game. So if I half that, that must be my board game, half as much as the computer, or twice as much the computer is the board game. Now, the board game is twice as much as the toy, so that means the toy is half the amount of the board game. Now, altogether, they equal 161. So this is some of our equivalent work we've been doing, where we think, well, how many individual bits can we get? If we continue that up here, and if we continue that up here and make them all equal-sized pieces, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts that are equal sizes that add up to make our 161. So if I share that out, so if I do 161 shared divided by 7, we'll know what each of those parts equals. So 7 into 1 will not go. So let's exchange that 100 for 10 tens and put a 0 in. 7 into 16, we do our 7 times table. 7, 14, can't go past that to 21. So we get 2 7s in there, and we've got 2 left over, and lovely, it's going to give an integer. 7 into 21, 7, 14, 21, 3 times. Now, that 23 is each one of these blocks. So we've got 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23. We've accounted for all our 7 23s. I think at this point it's really useful to look back at the question on a long question, and it says work out the cost of the board game. The board game is that middle one, which is 2 lots of 23. So if I do 23 plus 23, I get 46. I'm going to lose a mark on that final answer after all that amazing work, because it says work out the cost and I've put 46. £46 and I've got all my marks. That then is the end of the pre-test.